Hi guys, today I have an unboxing video, although I'm not sure how to do it with the camera, but I'll figure it out. I said I wouldn't want to get this fragrance because I have the dupes and I'm happy with the dupes, but then I saw it reduced so drastically. I mean, I think 30 pounds off or something on Notino, and I thought I just have to have it. So this is the box, and I'll figure out how to open this now on camera, and I'll see you soon. I think this angle could work. Yeah, so I open it up, and some of you might already guess what it is. I don't know if you watch my video and if you know my most favorite perfume of all time that I got cheap, and it's a dupe for something. It is a huge box, that's for sure. Ta-da! Lira! I did get it after all. Yeah, this is apparently it's a new formulation. There's an older package with the gold, which is completely gold. But I don't know, I can't remember when. 2019, I think they repackaged it, and I'm not sure if it's new formulation. I think they changed it a little bit. Ooh, it opens in a drawer. And wow, that's a big one. And this is apparently also a sign of the newer version. The old one had a face, I think, on it. So yeah, I'll tell you all about the scent in a minute. So I try to find a similar position than before. I hope you don't get dizzy. Anyway, so this is the bottle. It's huge, honestly. I didn't think it was so big. This reminds me of the Delina bottle a little bit. And the packaging, that's how, what's the Atkinson's fragrances always come in this kind of drawer package. But they're a little bit smaller than this one. This is massive. There's a little ring, teeny tiny little ring. I will put it back on here if I can. Anyway, let's get to the most important thing, the scent. Oh my god. Okay, let's spray it here because I've been to the perfume shop. Of course, as soon as the shop's open, I tried a few things. So I have to put it on the inside. Nice sprayer. Yeah, I already smell it. I mean, of course I already smell it, but I mean, I already smell, this is like Sweet Pastry in Paris by Zara. This is so similar. Oh my goodness. I know I had a little decant, but that is just... And I thought it was a little refined. This is why I thought I love it so much and I want to dip my toes into a bit more expensive perfumes. And this is why I tried this one, because I know I would really like it and love it. On the other hand, it's a little bit wasteful because I already have the Zara bottles, this one and the backup. So yeah, I don't know how many lifetimes I need to get through all of these. And yeah, let's not talk about the lifetimes I need to get through all of my perfumes, but that's a different story. So yeah, as I said, this is slightly different. The Zara one doesn't really evolve much. It pretty much stays the same from the beginning. Over the first 10 minutes, it might get a little warmer, a bit more spicy, but then it pretty much stays the same. The citrus leaves a little bit, and in the end, the vanilla stays. It's always the same with perfumes. For my nose, the vanilla is the note that stays the longest. There's a slight licorice note in here. And I'm not so keen on anise, but I knew from the decant that this is not too apparent and it wouldn't really annoy me. I really like it. I love the bottle. Glad that I got it. This is now my most expensive perfume in my collection. Second is Delina. So yeah. And for someone who can't get these anymore, because I don't think they do it anymore, I can suggest Pink Sugar by Aquilina. That's actually very similar. It's like, this is a biscuit, this is the cake, and this is the tart. So yeah, that was all I wanted to show you today. My crazy perfume haul. I have ordered so many perfumes in the last weeks, and I have also ordered so many samples that I don't even know when to film all these videos, because of course I want to tell you all about it. So thanks for watching. I see you in my next video. Bye.